Students, this is 118th maths class. So in this class, I am going to explain one more new product. Look at that board, students. Scalar triple product. ORR. So scalar triple product can also be called as box product. We call that the scalar triple product by one more name, that is box product. Look at the students, so easy product. So write let vector A, B, so vector C, vector A, vector B, vector C, or any three vectors, then the product of this type, then A dot B cross C, A dot B cross C is same as B dot C cross A is same as C dot A cross B. C dot A cross B. This you can represent this by one more representation. A dot B cross C. You write that box ABC. You can represent it in any way. Box ABC or box BCA, box BCA, box CAB, box CAB. This product is called as scalar triple product. So which product is called as scalar triple product? A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C is same as B dot C cross A, ABC, BCA, CAB, cyclic order. The value of this box product is same as the value of this one. They are all one and the same. A dot B cross C is equal to B dot C cross A is equal to C dot A cross B. Or you can represent A dot B cross C by one more representation, that is box ABC, vector A, vector B, vector C. Box ABC means A dot B cross C. Box ABC means A dot B cross C. Box BCA means B dot C cross A. Box CAB means C dot A cross B. Both the representations are one and the same. You can use any of these representations. This product is called as scalar triple product or box product. This type of products are called as scalar triple. Triple means we are using three vectors. Scalar. Why it is scalar? Because dot is present. Dot product of two vectors must be what? Scalar quantity. This is vector. B cross C vector. A is vector. So vector dot vector must be what? Scalar. Must be scalar. From the name itself, scalar quantity. This is scalar product. Triple means we are using how many vectors? Three vectors. So this type of products are called as scalar triple product or box product. I hope you understood. So what is A dot B scalar triple product? A dot B cross C or B dot C cross A or C dot A cross B. So these products can also be represented using box ABC, box BCA, box CAB. You must follow in these products, you must follow cyclic order. Cyclic order means ABC, next BCA, next CAB, ABC, BCA, CAB. Right? I hope you understood. Now let's go for properties. Properties of box product. Properties of scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Properties of scalar triple product. Look at this first property, students. Let vector A equals so A1i plus B1j plus C1k. Vector B equals A2i plus B2j plus C2k. vector C equals A3i plus B3j plus C3k, B3j plus C3k. Then how to find A dot B cross C value? Look at this, friends. A dot B cross C overall. How do you write these three vectors in box? Box ABC. Both these two are same. Look at this, friends. A dot B cross C can be easily found by using determinant. So determinant. Tell me the component. First you write the components of A. Vector A. Tell me components of vector A. A1, B1, C1. Vector B components. A2. So B2, C2. Next vector C components. A3, B3, C3. On expanding this determinant, we are going to get the value of this. We are going to get the value of box product or scalar triple product. So you may be having so many doubts in your mind, students. Sir, why should we use this determinant only? Why should we use this determinant only to find out that box product? If you wish, you find the value of this box product by this method, or you can follow one more method, that is finding B cross C. First you find out B cross C. You know how to find out A cross B. Determinant I, J, K, components. After finding B cross C, you find dot product with A. You are going to get same value. Which we get from this determinant. I hope you understood. We ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇ. But this is the shortest way of finding scalar triple product. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮೊದಲು ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎ ಡಾಟ್, ಅವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you have doubt, you try at home. So further, if there are any doubts, you just call me. I explain everything, right? So A dot B cross C. One thing you observe, students, this is scalar product or vector product. Scalar product. Since it is a scalar product, I must not use IJK. IJK use ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ IJK ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, you cannot expand it. Expand ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. You use your general knowledge, right? Okay. IJK ಬರಿಬಾರದು. Why we should not use IJK? Because it is a scalar quantity. If IJK are present means it should be vector quantity. What are IJK? Unit vectors. Unit vectors are nothing but directions. If IJK are present means directions are present. Directions are present means it becomes what? A vector. But this is not a vector. I hope you understood. So first property. So that is determinant, third order determinant, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, right? Okay, students. Now, so one more property, property number 2. So property number 2, suppose if two vectors of a box product are identical, A dot A cross, so B or C, you take whatever you like. In this scalar triple product, how do you write this in the box? A, next C, right? So no space. A, C. So property number 2. Property number 2. So A dot. So I go further. Better. So let us go for property number 2. Property number 2. So you look at this, students. You look at this property number 2. A dot So A cross C. So how do you write this in box? A, box A, comma C. Look at this, students. In this box product, a vector is repeated twice. A vector is repeated twice. Let me see what happens. Right. So write determinant. Tell me components of vector A. Components of vector A. A1, B1, C1. Components of vector A again. Components of vector A again. A1, B1, C1. Components of vector C. A3, B3, C3. Tell me the value of this, students. According to determinant property, in a determinant, if two rows are same, what its value? What is the value of that? 0. In a determinant, if two rows or two columns are same, the value of the determinant should be 0. So this is 0 because so R1 and R2 are same. R1 and R2 are same. From this it is so clear. So box product vanishes if it contains to any two identical vectors. That implies box product vanishes if it contains, if two vectors are same. If two vectors are same. In a box product, if two vectors are identical, what is its value? 0. Box product vanishes. By seeing this directly, you can go for writing what? 0. Because this box product is containing two similar vectors. Let us go for one more property, students. Property number 3. Let us go for one more property. Property number 3. So look at this. So box, this is a box. I draw a box. So not nice. Parallelepiped. This is called as a parallelepiped. Parallelepiped. Cube. Students, you know that cube very well. Cube means a box with all faces are equal. If all faces are squares, you have seen cube, that color cube. So all faces, how many faces? 6 faces are squares in a cuboid. If all faces are rectangle, just like room, if all faces are rectangles, then it is called as cube. So parallelepiped means all the faces are parallelograms. Look at this face, student, parallelogram. Look at this back face, parallelogram. If all the faces are parallelograms, then it is called as parallelepiped. Cube means all the faces are squares. Cuboid means all the faces are not squares, just like room, cuboid. So this is parallelepiped. I hope you understood. You look at this, students. I take vector A along one of the side. Vector A. I take one more vector along one more side. So next vector C. Vector C. If vector A represents one side, vector B represents second side, vector C represents third side, then box product represents box A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C. What are box A B C? Box A B C represents volume of this parallelepiped. Volume of parallelepiped. Keep that. Proof not required, students. Proof takes so much time. They won't ask proofs for your exam. Proof is not required. If anybody wants to proof, you send a message. So I will send that. So proof not required. Vector A represents one side. Vector B represents other side. Vector C represents third side. Then, so what is? Tell me volume of this parallelepiped. It is nothing but box product. If I find value of this box product, it represents volume. So look at this, students. Why this scalar triple product? Why this scalar triple product also called as box product? This is the reason. Because scalar triple product represents volume of box. What type of box? Parallelepiped. So this is the reason why that scalar triple product is also called as a box product. Why it is called as box product? Because it represents volume of the box. Right? So one more property, students. Property number 4. You do one thing. You press the box, students. If I press the box, you can see a plane. You press the box like this, you can see an Apache. Yes, Apache. Right? Apache is not Apache. Right? If it becomes a plane, what happens to these vectors? Lies on the same plane. If I press like this, all the vectors lies on the same plane. If all the vectors lies on the same plane, they are called as coplanar vectors. Co means same. What is co? Co means same. So all the vectors lies on the same plane. One more thing, students. If I press the box, it becomes plane. If it becomes plane, all the vectors lies on the same plane. After pressing, there will be no box. Can it possible to see a box? No. After pressing, you can see only plane. There will be no box. No box means volume must be 0. If a box is present, you can find its volume. Apache means no box. No box means volume 0. Here we are getting one important condition, students. What is that condition? 3 vectors, vector A, vector B, vector C becomes coplanar when volume of the box product is 0. When box product is 0, the box product value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಾಗ 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. I hope you understood that. Now I am going to write that. So vector A, vector B, vector C becomes coplanar are said to be coplanar if A dot B cross C, that is box ABC is equal to 0. One more important point, students. If box product becomes 0, vectors are said to be coplanar. So don't get confusion between collinear, coplanar. Collinear means, remember this, for collinear we need 2 vectors. For coplanar we need 3 vectors. Collinear related to 2 vectors. Coplanar related to 3 vectors. Condition for collinear is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Condition for coplanar is box product is equal to 0. Box product is equal to 0. I hope you understood, students. This is about box product, properties of box product. Now let us go for solving problems on this box product. First question. By heart all the properties, students. Let us solve first question. So write if first question है find A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C. Find A dot B cross C if vector A equals 2i plus j plus 3k, vector B equals minus l plus 2j plus k. So and vector C equals 3i plus j plus 2k. Now you find out the box product solution. Easy question. So easy. Solution. A dot B cross C. Box product. Box product means finding determinant value. Write the components of vector A. Don't use ijk in the determinant. Why we should not use ijk? Because it is a box product, scalar product. Scalar does not contain ijk. I am repeating the same thing. So write. Tell me components of vector A. 2, 1, 3. Components of vector B. minus 1, 2, 1. Components of vector C. 3, 1, 2. Minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, expand it. So 2 into first row, first column, 2 2s are 4, minus 1, 4, minus 1. Next, minus 1 into, so column, row, minus 2, minus 3, column, row, minus 2, minus 3, plus 3 into, column row, minus 1, minus 6. Simplify that. A dot B cross C. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. Minus 2 minus 3, minus 5. Minus into minus, plus 5. Minus 1 minus 6, minus 7, minus into plus, minus 7 3s are 21. Correct? So 6 plus 5, 11 minus 21. So how much is 11 minus 21? Minus 10. Since it is minus 10. When we take this as volume, you make that as minus 10 as plus. Simply it is asked to find out A dot B cross C. Next question. Find box ABC. Find box ABC. Box ABC. If find box ABC. If vector A equals vector A equals I minus 2j plus 3k, I minus 2j plus 3k, comma, vector B equals 2i minus 3j plus k, and vector C equals 3i plus j minus 2k. Same question, friends. So same question, solve that. Same type question. Find box ABC. Solution. Box ABC. Box ABC means determinant. Finding determinant value. Determinant. So tell me components of vector A. 1 minus 2 3. Components of vector B. 2 minus 3 1. Components of vector C. 3 1 minus 2. Expand it. 3 1 minus 2. Expand it. 1 into first row first column minus plus 3 2s are 6 minus 1 plus minus into minus plus 2 into column row minus 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus of minus plus 2 minus 4 minus 3 plus 3 into, so this is column row, 2 ones are 2 minus of minus plus 3 3s are 9. So you find out box ABC value. A, B, C. Box ABC. 6 minus 1, 5. Minus 4 minus 3. Minus 7. Minus into plus minus 7 2s are 14. 9 plus 2 11. 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 5. 38. 33 plus 5. 38 minus 14. How much is 38 minus 14? 8 minus 4, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 24 connected. So right. You go for solving one more question. So right. You solve that next question. So okay, we shall stop, students. We shall continue in the next class.